Welcome to this tutorial on how to install Algo.Py and start this powerful dashboard. In this video, I'll walk you through the installation process, and in the upcoming tutorials, we'll explore its features and how to use them effectively. To begin, we need to visit the Algo.Py GitHub repository. Copy the repository URL and we'll clone it locally. Once the cloning is complete, navigate into the Algo.Py directory. Next, we'll set up the environment using Docker Compose. Run the command to start the process. This step takes about 5 minutes, so make sure Docker is installed on your system. If you haven't installed it yet, you can visit Docker's official website and follow the setup instructions. Once the container is up and running, there are 2 ways to interact with it. You can access the container using Docker's terminal commands, or you can use VS Code to attach directly to the container, which is my preferred method. I'll explain in later tutorials why this approach is more efficient. Before we proceed, there's an important dependency we need to install. If you want to fully utilize backtesting and deployment capabilities, you'll need Vector-BT Pro. You can install Vector-BT Pro however you prefer. I have the repository on hand, so I'll copy it over and install it directly. Once all these steps are done, there's just one final command to execute, and the Algo.Py dashboard will be ready to launch. Now you can open the dashboard and explore all the features. In the next video, I'll showcase these features in detail and provide a quick tutorial on how to use them efficiently. We'll also cover how to write and deploy advanced backtesting strategies with Algo.Py across a range of brokers, so stay tuned. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next tutorial. See you soon!